Today I am going to show you how to make a ramen burger. That's right, it's a normal burger with a twist. So for this you're going to need 4 bowls, a spring onion, 300 grams of cooked noodles, rocket, 4 eggs, barbecue sauce, 2 slices of cheese, and 2 burgers. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to whisk our 2 eggs, so crack them into a bowl and use a fork to stir them up. Now we're going to add the noodles. I'm using rice noodles. They are super delicious and also gluten-free. Make sure you break them up well. Mix them in with the egg. We want to make sure that they are all coated. We're now going to split the mixture into 4. Once you've got a quarter in one bowl, add a second bowl on top and add pressure. We want to do this 4 times. Now we're going to add weight. I'm adding some tinned fruit on top of my second bowl. This will compress it, so leave it for 15 minutes. And now let's head to the hob. The first thing we're going to do is to fry our burgers. Add a little bit of oil. They should be done after 5 to 10 minutes on each side. Now we're going to fry our other 2 eggs. Perfect. Now we're taking our noodles. We want to add the noodles to the hot oil. We're going to leave them for 5 minutes each side until golden brown. Because we've compressed them, they're going to sit perfectly on top of our burger. Look how delicious that looks. Once they're golden brown on each side, take it off the hob. Now slice your spring onion. I'm cutting mine into long, thin strips. Now it's time to assemble. First off, we're starting with some noodles. I'm adding a dash of rocket and then some sauce. Next comes the meat, a bit of cheese, an egg, some of our spring onion, and then finally some more noodles on top. This is what it looks like from the side. Super delicious! Doesn't that look great? It's a perfect twist on the classic burger. Yum! And there you have it. That's how you make your very own ramen burger.